Manners and honors, you know. Yeah, I'll make a start that video now. Alright, hear me I say. When a sound man, we get other people in the money to get artists, for dubplate and them thing there. It's when the people them run away with the money or do whatever they want with the money and they can't contact them and they can't link them or whatever transpire or whatever happen between Uno and them. Uno deal with it between Uno and them. Don't call the artists them and you know. First of all, let me be more direct. When a sound man, we give other people on the money to give me. And when the people them run up and down and gone all about and I do all that nothing, when I find me after and I come complain about, hey, I will diss a man, I will disrespect you. Or cause you come find me now. This is after you give people your money and them fuck up and a bag or something, you come find me. Cause how you come find me now? How come you couldn't come find me before? Wanna know what I do, you know? Wanna know what I do, you know? Wanna know exactly what I do. And on a man, we are run program. When a program runner, we are run program for artists and them things. First of all, I don't even appreciate the fact and them things they say. How the artists them at the food and make gonna eat our food. Cause I don't believe like artists own an obligation, you know. I mean I know about no other artists, but I don't own no man no obligation, you know. No man, I just do things out of the kindness of my heart and show me love people. You see me I say? And the whole of my riches me give away. And not even complain about that. The people ball about that. Well, I'm too kind, I'm too this, I'm too nice, I'm too this and them stuff. I never complain. But yo, bad man, hear me I say? Stop ramping me pitting them food. I'm not gonna say that twice. Artists go on an opportunity for eat a food and them thing down and overdo it and scam people and rob people and them money. Them think they're fuckery, G. Them think they're fuckery. You see me I say? Them think they eat that thing. What I do? What I do, bro? Fix on a thing, me G. Got no right be. And the thing that piss me off is that the someone will come and I'm inbox them and them thing that after and I say, yo, you know this man. Yo, hear me I say. Bumpy Cash now run a program for me, yeah? Yo, if it link Danger Mental or link Legend in Jamaica or if me not authorize it, no man not run a program for me. I'm telling you this. No man not run no program for me, my G. I'm not going to scam the people and I use my name. Yo, Mr. Man, I live my life them way they're still in them, see me? I'm not take up for no man and them things this time. Bad man, yo, them things them corruption being a very, yo. Big up to all of the real dubplate people them. Big up Mr. Tell and the whole of them man they way. Them are authentic dubplate people. You see me I say? But the man them where use artist name and scam money, bad man. Never know what I do, you know. No what I do, you know, my G. And I ramp with people life and people, yo, what I do? Yeah, what I do, bad man. No what I do, my G. You see me I say? Every man a man, you know. Yeah, I ramp with people food, you know, my G. Can't ramp with people food, bad man. When a sound man, you know better and you do better, my G. Every artist step on social media and all over the internet. Me depend every platform and social media savvy. Very much. So I'm not hard to find. That's why I'm a man live my life good. And try to live my life straight and clean with everybody. You see me I say? And I can't hide. I can't go nowhere to hide. My face can't go, I can't hide. When I do man, yo bad man, I don't understand myself, my G. No one do man. Yo, dubplate fraternity, you know, have to fix that something there, you know, bad man. I want to look a boy I run around and I call up artist name and I say I want to know artist and I can't get this and yo, son man, that's true. Yo, but I'm not bad for someone son man too, because I know what I do to, you know. I know what I do to, you know. But as I say, when time the people on the money and the people them fuck up with the money, don't come to me by here. Because now this time I mean disrespect a man. And with the all over internet and you can link a man direct. But I don't do that because I know what I do. Bless up to you know. And have a good day to you know.
Watch out now, what I want, my viewers, my subs, welcome back. Do me a favor, leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, click that bell and turn on all post notifications so that when you drop fresh show content, you will be notified. So people, Mr Lex, aka Lexus, is me, have a problem with the so-called middleman, them where collect money from the sound man them and now do the right thing. You see me, I say, are the people them who claim say them know the artist. While collect money, you see me, from the sound man them and I sink it and I pocket it. You see me, I say, and I stop film, pick them food. You see me, I say, when in all that's wrong. You see me, I say that I kill the business pertaining to, you know, the dub business. You see me, I say, for the artists them, everybody knows say, you know, that's how enough artists eat them food. Enough artists wanna out there like that. You see me, I say, enough artists will now have the buzz again to a certain extent. You see me? So that's a very bad move for business. So whosoever I ram put Mr. Lex spit them food, you see me, and I ram put the selector them food and stop do that here and do the right thing. You see me, I say, cause that mash up the business. You see me? If a person will play the middleman, but they a yard and I collect money from people abroad pertaining to a sound because them claims that them know the artist or claims that them have a link to the artist, collect the people the money and I sink it. You see me? As me say, that's bad for business. You get to me and say, I only for do the right thing because enough time the DJ them couldn't eat a food, you see me? Or they get overboard and when they start overdo it. You see me I say, and then now the sound man them are gonna link the artist and say, you know, say we give the artist, we give the person the money there. You see me I say, for a dub or a certain or more than one dub or 2 dub, 3 dub, 4 dub. You get me I say, so by then the artist I say, yo, I don't know nothing about that, nobody no link me. You see me? So they can't come to me, you know, when they can't find the person when they give them the money to. You see me? I say, oh, they can't find me. No, that's basically what Mr. Alexis has said. You see me? I say, oh, they can't find me now for complain, say, when they go on the money and with the nag, you know? What I couldn't find me from first. You see me? But in right, still, a lot of times you can't get to an artist certain way. If you text him on Instagram, you know what I mean? If you see me, depends on the caliber artist because there's so much people trying to text or get in contact with an artist, a well-established artist. It's impossible or near impossible to do because them they were going to some message where I will get spam out to a way. You see me I say where the artist is now go look on or have to send a certain request in for the artist them answer you. Because them have to filter out some of the fan message and some of that so forth. So naturally them are go put in a general messages and people that know you have to put in the request for actually send a message to you. Them can send the message, you know, but 10 out of 10 times the artists them not gonna read it. You see me I say because you know them have a certain amount, a list of people who them consider as close friend or person who can text them because you know that allow them to do more, you know, be more professional pertaining to you know them answering messages. So that's how the manager come in play, or that's how the you know what I mean assistant manager or road manager or whatever you want to call it, that's what you know them did the fuck. You see me I say if you get to you have to get to them before you can get to the artist. You see me I say so enough time I circle, so enough time them have the artist then. You see me I say that are the who are the middleman. Enough time. Yeah, you have some artists are when them the way we F up every now and again pertaining to that kind of business where producers send them money, send them the rhythm and them send them a go voice, you know what I mean? And they have to run back at them for voice. So sometimes it vice versa, but when it pertaining to dub and the dub business, things like this are always, you see me, set a bad taste in the mouth them are the sound man them. And them need them dub for do conduct for them business and clash sounds or whatever them do for make for them type of money. You see me I say and they set away for a man and work him harder money and I send it come give a man what rob. You see me? Take a box food out, a DJ mouth, a artist mouth. You see me I say so. You know what the wrong thing when they stop it and just do the right thing. You see me I say and sound man. When you get to the proper people them, you see me I say, check the artist them info, go up on the artist them right page. Check the artist them info, see if you can get a number. You see me I say, see if you can get an email. Get to the right person. As you can see Mr. Lexus I say, who you forget to, when you want to contact him pertaining to dub or business, get to the right and proper person them before we start sending people on the money, because the people them are go, you know what I mean, Rabuna. Yes, man. Yeah, so like always, I like, comment, share the notification bell for further updates and videos. Leave your thoughts in the comment section, as you may say. Let me know what I think, as you may say. Right, this is a segway. Banging. Yes, no, man, I'm out.
Full engine of a new style where them call it, you dead now. When me say the style name again now, you dead now.
Watch you now, no. Rock boys, come on. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, yeah. Watch you now, no. See it now, no. Watch you now, yeah. Watch you now, no. Watch you now, no.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing Watch Ya Know! The world I forget the stats, you know. You know it's Watch Ya Know, me, and it's Warlord, Skystar leader. Kaboom! Watch Ya Know.